the second video in this series on digital marketing niche services. In the first video, we looked at a handful, well, more than a handful, of the top niche services that you may want to consider targeting. And it's starting today, and in the upcoming videos, we are going to dive into each one of those niches individually because I want to help you hone in even more. I want you to see the sub-niches that are available within each and the different services that you could consider offering so you can see how you can really drill down, get very specific, and offer some real value to businesses out there. So today we are kicking things off with email marketing. So let's look at some of the sub-niches available and some of the services that you can consider. Now we can always start with the most obvious, which is newsletter design. You are helping to create the template, the layout, the feel of the newsletters that are going to be going out for the business. But if you've been around the channel at all, you know that I really want to look at what are services that we can do that are going to help take something off the plate of a business owner. How are we going to add recurring revenue to our business? And when we do that, we are in turn making sure that we can really help a business see results, and we're going to be adding more value. So I want to go beyond just a basic newsletter design. Now, of course, we can also offer newsletter content, or what I would really like to see is email campaign management. This is where we are really being intentional about the newsletters that are being sent out. We are doing a nice mix of making sure that we are educating the subscribers, we are keeping them engaged, and we are also sending out promotional emails as well. And we are watching the metrics of how that goes and ensuring that we are helping to make sure that we are helping the business meet its goals using email as the service. And a great way to make sure that you are able to do this is by offering email marketing audits and email marketing strategy. Now, an email marketing audit is an in-depth assessment of your email marketing strategy, and it tests the performance of email campaigns to identify what is working and what's not. So this audit really helps you identify what potential problems could be so that you can fix them and hopefully start to see better results. Now, on the other hand, we have email marketing strategy. And this is all about developing a system for determining how often to send out emails, what kind of content should be created and sent, who we are sending the emails to, which ties in really nicely to some of the upcoming services. So many businesses go without having an automated email sequence. And this is a series of emails. It could be something as short as just 2 emails going out. It could be significantly larger, just depending on the type of business and what is being accomplished. And these automated emails typically go out separate from the regular newsletter that is being created and sent out. And typically the subscribers who are within an automated email series are excluded from the regular newsletter that is going out until that automation has completed, and then they go into the pool of subscribers who will now receive the regular newsletters. But some of the automated email series that you can help create are welcome emails when there is a new subscriber, and the types of welcome emails can actually differ depending on how someone opts in, what they're actually looking for, so you can make sure that you're giving more personalized information. This could be cart abandonment emails when someone adds a product to their online shopping cart, but then they leave before they actually check out. This could be dynamic emails, but this is all about creating those series, reviewing them, optimizing so those help you get better results. And you're able to determine this through email marketing analytics and optimization services, which is simply you optimizing marketing campaigns to increase opens, engagement, and conversions. And one of the best things we can do for our email customers is to make sure that they have a clean list. So by offering a list cleaning service, which probably isn't something that you're going to rely on as your main service, but nonetheless, it is very important because we are going in and we are looking for the subscribers who are not active, they're not engaging, and we are removing them from the list. And when we do that, that helps the business see higher open rates and higher click-through rates. And when that happens, that helps keeps email out of the spam folder. So it's really helpful for deliverability, and that should be done on a semi-regular basis. Now, one of the best email services that you can offer is behavioral email marketing. These emails are based on the actual subscribers' preferences and engagement. So these emails look at which emails do the subscribers actually open, what purchases do they make, what activities activity is there from them on the business website. And then based on that, it triggers specific emails to be sent to them and different emails sent to different subscribers who had different activity on the website and through email. So this could be sending personalized recommendations. This increases conversions based on the actual user's behavior and preferences. And this can even be based on inactivity. What has the subscriber not done? And that can also trigger specific emails going out to them as well. So this is really about creating content for specific parts of the audience, or what is known in the email world as email segmentation. So rather than sending everyone on an entire list the same exact email, we're able to break it down into sub-audiences and make sure that we are really better tailoring the messages, the emails that we are sending out to get better results. Now, the last few ideas that I'll leave you with when it comes to email marketing as a niche service is that you can also, if you really want to drill down and get more specific, is actually do a combination. So one thing that you can do is pair an industry with a niche service. So for instance, in this case, you could say that you offer email marketing for pool builders. So that is how you can get even more specific and really hone in on exactly who you serve and how you are going to help them. And it makes it very, very obvious and much easier to market. Another example of that would be offering email marketing to nonprofits. So here you may be able to help them with things like fundraising, donors, nurturing donors, creating awareness campaigns, and more. Another thing that you can do, and you can do this in combination with a specific industry, or you can simply do this as a standalone, would be working with clients who use a particular email marketing tool. So for instance, you may want to specialize in ConvertKit, and that is what you do. You get to know that email marketing software really, really well, and you get really good at helping clients who use that software or want to get better results from their email get on that software. And that way you don't have the learning curve of jumping from different system to different system. And you also get really good at that tool, so you know exactly how to help your clients get really good results using it. All right, I hope this has given you some really good ideas about email marketing sub-niches that you may be able to use in your business. Have any questions, post them down below. Make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos in this series as we drill down into more sub-niches that you may be able to specialize in. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.